inside the human body. The kidneys work every second to filter blood, remove toxins, and maintain fluid balance. But unhealthy diet, dehydration, excess salt, and processed foods slowly weaken this natural filtration system. When kidneys become stressed, toxins begin to build up, causing fatigue, swelling, and weakness. Nature provides powerful support through small nutrient-rich seeds that help protect and strengthen kidney function naturally. One of the most powerful seeds is black seed, also known as Nigella sativa. It contains strong antioxidants that help protect kidney cells from damage caused by toxins and inflammation. This protection allows the kidneys to filter waste more efficiently, improving overall internal cleansing, helping the body restore balance and energy naturally over time. Flaxseed is another powerful seed that supports kidney repair because it contains omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and natural compounds. These help reduce inflammation, which is one of the main causes of kidney damage. When inflammation decreases, kidney filters can function more smoothly and remove waste more effectively. The fiber in flaxseed also helps remove toxins through digestion, reducing the burden placed on the kidneys. This natural support helps preserve kidney strength and improves blood circulation. This allows oxygen and nutrients to reach kidney tissue, supporting natural repair and protection without causing stress to the body. Chia seeds are extremely beneficial for kidney health because they help maintain proper hydration. This is essential for flushing toxins from the body. When chia seeds absorb water, they slowly release it, helping the kidneys maintain consistent filtration and detoxification. These seeds are also rich in antioxidants, which protect kidney tissue from oxidative stress. This stress is often caused by toxins and an unhealthy lifestyle. Chia seeds also help regulate blood sugar levels, which is important. High blood sugar can damage kidney filters. When blood sugar remains stable, the kidneys can function more efficiently. They can then maintain their natural cleansing ability. Pumpkin seeds provide essential minerals like magnesium, zinc, and potassium, which help support kidney function and improve circulation. Magnesium relaxes blood vessels, enhancing blood flow to kidneys. This improves toxin filtration and fluid balance. Zinc supports immune function, which protects kidney tissue from damage and infection. Pumpkin seeds also help maintain mineral balance, preventing harmful buildup that can interfere with kidney health. This natural mineral support helps strengthen kidney function and improves overall internal stability and detoxification. When these seeds are used regularly, they provide powerful natural support for kidney cleansing and repair. They are packed with antioxidants, healthy fats, fiber, and essential minerals. These nutrients help reduce stress on the kidneys and improve vital circulation throughout the body. They also actively support natural toxin removal. This process is crucial for your well-being. Over time, regular consumption helps improve your energy levels and overall hydration, leading to enhanced overall health. It's a simple step for a significant impact. When combined with proper hydration and a healthy, balanced diet, their benefits multiply. Reducing salt intake further enhances their effectiveness, maintaining strong kidney function. These seeds protect the body from harmful toxin buildup and potential long-term damage. These small seeds offer a simple, natural way to support your kidney health effectively. They improve the body's natural detoxification system, working safely and efficiently.